Chip Ressel. I think you can spell Chip. Last name is Ressel, R-E-S-S-E-L. Good morning. We're all members of the class of 1983 from the United States Naval Academy. And this ride across America was conceived 5 years ago. The logistics of how we put the whole thing together, we started in Puget Sound at Whidbey Island Naval Air Station, dipped our back tires in the sound there, and we're riding all the way to Annapolis, Maryland. We're going to dip our front tires in the Severn River. A lot of things we're doing during the ride, but basically our government does all kinds of great things for veterans, and we really appreciate that. But to really meet all the needs that the veterans have, we need the entrepreneurial creativity and spirit that is so endemic in this country. And some of the organizations are listed on our website, which is navy-cycling.com. And we also have a blog that talks about each day that we ride. One of the things on the blog is these little link you can click on called Relive, and it'll bring up a topographical map of that day. A little yellow line will go through where we rode, and pictures will pop up. Some of riders, some of the people we meet, some of the scenery. We all spent our lives working really hard to protect this country, and now we're actually getting a chance to meet the people who are awesome and take a look at the scenery, through the Cascades and the Rockies, getting down to the flatlands in eastern Washington and Idaho and Coeur d'Alene Trail in Montana. We're about to finish Nebraska today. Absolutely gorgeous country with great people, and we're so proud that we did it. And we want the people to appreciate what the veterans have done in giving them this country and protecting this country. So take a look at our website, navy-cycling.com. Take a look at the blogs. Whether you give or not, it's a great cross-section of America. And if you like the website, I would like you to take it and send it out to every single person on your email list and ask them to do the same. And this awareness can spread so that maybe someday a veteran will need a helping hand with something, and somebody who otherwise would have just bypassed them will say, hey, what can I do for you? So navy-cycling.com, send it out to everyone, take a look at it. It's a great website. Thanks so much.
Good morning. My name is Peter Stitt, S-T-I-T-T. I'm with the Naval Academy class of 1983. We are riding our bicycles across the United States. We are riding from NAS Whidbey Island, Washington to Annapolis, Maryland, 44 days. We started on the 23rd of August. We're going to arrive in Annapolis on the 5th of October. The last day we're we're riding from Arlington Cemetery to the Naval Academy. We're doing this in conjunction with our 40th reunion. We're doing it to raise awareness of veterans issues and raise money for veterans. Right now we are in Nebraska, heading to Iowa today. There's about 14 riders and 5 support people. It's been an incredible journey. We have met a lot of veterans along the way. We have gone to American Legions and VFWs. And every morning we start with 22 push-ups to raise awareness for veteran suicides. So if you want to find out more, go to navy-cycling.com. That is navy-cycling.com. Go Navy.
Hi, I'm Ray Herb, R-A-Y-H-E-R-B, from Birmingham, Alabama. I'm riding 2,500 out of the 3,400 miles across the United States. I'm raising money for Fisher House Foundation, and we as a group are raising money for, I believe, about 22 veterans, charities, and service organizations. And we start every day with 22 push-ups to raise awareness on the fact that that approximately 17 service members, veterans, active duty, and family members of active duty kill themselves every day. It started out as a 22 push-up challenge because in, 2017, the VA did a study that found that actually 22 service members, VA veterans, and families of service members killed themselves every day on average throughout a year. It's down to about 16 now because of awareness and because of the various services and policies and things available for people who have thinking of suicide. But we want to keep it up, so we still do the 22 push-up challenge every morning. And we like to think that that bringing that awareness to anybody who watches us do those challenges to reach out to a service member or a veteran or a family of a veteran, because family serves just as much as the veterans do, and to see if they're okay. Just reach out to them, just stay in touch and help to make sure that they're okay. We're having a lot of fun, but again, we want to raise awareness for veterans causes, and for active duty service members. And I mean, hell, with Chip here. Chip, do you want to
Ride the extra 1.8 miles at the other end. First SAG is Bancroft Park Campground. It's at 19.2. We could not confirm. So there's a convenience store that runs the park, all right? Rudy's. So we could not confirm that the restrooms would be open. If the restroom, so we're on 51, you take a left, Melissa will call an audible and go up to Rudy's, all right? To get there, you just got to keep going north. The thing is, the road ends right by the park, and you either go left or right and go up those roads, and then you'll see Rudy's farther up. And then instead of coming in reverse back down, we'll just come down. There's a diagonal highway. It'll be readily available to vehicles to get across the Missouri River. It's one of those metal graded bridges that you can see through that's, on the road. So it's 1 mile from Decatur Express across the bridge to the drop off. Herman, where are you?
Right here.
What I'd like is when we get to SAG 1, duties to allow both McCullough's car and Mike's car to play sweeping with the bike capacity and their seats. All right. So those two cars, as people arrive at the Decatur Express,
things present or things to come, or after anything else, will be able to separate us from the level of our God. Ride safe.
Today is Luke McComb's birthday. I think we should sing happy birthday.
Yeah. Well, hold on. Before we do that, it was also Dave's birthday yesterday.
Oh,
and I missed that. Mine's the 25th. I don't know how to get that. It's not here. I don't know. Here, those are Scott's. He is looking for those.
They're in his helmet hanging in the truck.
Perfect. Okay, we figured, we told him that's what we thought.
If we can get that.
Well, I don't know how that's going to happen. Okay. Anyways, we have them. That's all. That's my PSA.
We're going to escort us out.
You bet.
Don. Don? Are you with him?
Yep.
All right. Don and Adam. Appreciate them. And we're going to go out about 13 miles an hour.
Down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, down, 11, down, 12.